Hi, Mela. Good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, you just woke up. How are you, Mela?
I'm good.
Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No,
Oh no. Why does it seems like you're
no,
still closing your eyes right there? Did you sleep?
no,
Are you sleeping, Mela?
no.
It seems like you are still sleeping. Okay, and you're just answering my questions. Okay, so make yourself comfortable, Mila. Did you go to school?
No,
No, so what did you do?
sleep.
Oh, okay, so you sleep. Okay, what about in the afternoon, Mila? The morning you sleep, and what about in the afternoon? You sleep as well? Did you sleep?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you must be very tired, Mila. Okay, so can you tell me again the answer for the first one here? Mela, I told you yesterday that we will have a quick review of these, right? We're done answering this one yesterday, but I just want to see if you can still remember the answers as to how to unscramble it. Can you tell me the answer for one again?
Can I read it?
Yes, of course, Mela, since it's just a review.
Um,
Can you still remember the answer?
how?
Is that how? It's not
Uh,
a question. It is a statement, Mela. Can you tell me the answer? What is it?
wait.
Okay. Take your time. We answered this one yesterday, right? Can you still remember, Mela? Yesterday we had a class and we answered this one.
Uh, mm,
Yes.
mother. I don't know.
Mother. Yeah, that's correct. Mother knows. Let me underline it for you. Let me cross it out for you. Mother knows. So it's one and two. What's next? Mother knows.
Mother know how to bake a cake.
Okay, yes, very good. Mother knows how to bake a cake. Okay, what about for two? It's a question, Mela, question.
Um, how many students are there in your class?
Very good, Mela. Three. Three.
Uh, um, so
Sharp.
at Sharon eat at school canteen.
The school canteen. Okay, Sharon eats at the school canteen. Okay, what about four? Four. How about
Mm,
four? This one is a question, Mela. It is a question.
Why you are late to
Why
school?
are?
Why are you late to school?
Okay, yes, very good. Why are you late for school? Last one, Mela.
Um,
It is. It's a statement, Mela. It is a statement.
I saw many animals at the zoo.
Okay, yes, very good. I saw many animals at the zoo. Okay, now let us proceed to the next one, Mila. In here, I want you to look at the picture above each blank as it'll guide you as to what word you should fill in. So here's the word bank. And yes, can you read the story about Uncle Sam's farm, Mila?
Um,
Uncle Sam's farm. Can you read it?
un Uncle South Park. Mm. Uncle Sam has a big farm. There are hens, dog, rabbit, and cow on his farm. The big black and white cow gives him milk. The owl lives in a tree. The rabbit are kept in a
In a, what is it? The rabbits are kept in a,
I don't know.
it's a hutch, Mila, a hutch. It is a cage for small animals like chickens, rabbits, just like this photo right here. Okay, so it is a hutch. They are kept in a hutch. Continue, Mila. They love.
Um, they love to eat fresh carrot. Uncle Sam go to market in a cart pulled by a horse. The farm dog ran to farm.
Okay, so the farm dog guards the whole farm. Well done, Mela. See, it's just easy. Now let us proceed to another activity. So yes, in here, same as what we had in our previous meeting, you have to match the picture to the sentences below. Okay, let us start, Mela. What do you think is happening in the first picture? What do you think is happening in the first picture?
Uh, uh, no, the school planned a trip to the zoo and the children went there by bus.
Okay, yes, very good. Second picture, Mela.
At the zoo, they saw monkeys swinging on the branch of trees.
Okay, very good. Three.
Um,
You've got
there,
this.
some children even took picture of the elephant.
Is it, Mela? Is it? No. In the third picture, Mela, we can see an elephant. We can see children taking a photo of the elephant. So that's not the answer. What do you think?
There was an elephant show, and the children enjoy watching it.
Does the third picture show an elephant show? Does it shows an elephant show? No, it doesn't. Instead, what can we see in the third picture? We have here four sentences left, Mela. What do you think is it?
Uh, there was also deer, tiger, and other animal at the zoo.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Fourth picture. What can you see in
Um,
the picture?
uh, some children even took pictures of the elephant.
Hmm, okay. Now, in the fourth picture, Mela, it shows that there was an elephant show and the children enjoyed watching it. Okay, so that will be four, and which means five is? Five is?
Um, some children even took pictures of the elephant.
Okay, and the last one we have.
Um,
What is it, Mela? This is the last one, Mela, and definitely the easiest one. Mela, what are you doing?
in the evening they went home tired but happy.
Okay, yes, that's correct, Mela. Thank you so much for that. What are you doing, Mela?
I sleepy.
Oh, you're still sleepy. Don't worry, we're almost done. Okay, I will not extend the time today. Okay, so now since we're done talking about or matching the picture to the sentences, then let us proceed to telling a story about the picture. Okay, each picture. Can you tell me what is happening in the first picture? What's happening in the first picture?
Um, The children go to the zoo.
Okay, the children had a picnic and they went to the zoo. Okay, what about for the second picture?
Um, the children saw the the monkey singing in the tree.
Okay, swinging the branches. Okay, swinging in the branches of the tree. Now, what about for the third one?
Uh,
What can you see here? What animals can you see?
um,
There is,
mm,
there is
they saw the tiger.
tiger. What else? Okay, the tiger, the hippo, and the deer. So, okay, so that is it. Now we'll just end here, Mela. As you've said, you are sleepy. So we'll continue 4 to 6 on Friday. Thank you so much for your time, Mela. Goodbye, Mela.
Goodbye, teacher.